Hello everyone, it's from Frontline Animal Removal. I'm about to open up a soffit to see if there's anything inside. There might be baby raccoons in there, at least that's what I'm hoping for. But the homeowner heard some noises up here, so we're going to open it up and see what we find. Where are they? Oh, they're right in front of me. And looky what we got here. There's one. There's two. There's three. Let's see, one, two, three, might be four babies.
How big?
1, 2, 3, 4. They're probably about a month old. Oh yeah, she's right here. I'm about 10 feet from her. Now I'm about 5 feet. There's two. There. Hey, caught him. Yeah, let's see if there's number 4. And we got this one by the tail. All right, let's see if there's any more. I think that's it. Nope, there's a 5th one. There we go. Okay, I'm going to open up some soffit and try to pull out some baby raccoons. They're right about there. How I know? Because I use my handy dandy thermal imager and I got a glowing spot there. Handy dandy white-proof gloves. Let's reach into the dark. See what we find. There's one fuzzball. Hey, there's another one. There's 3.